Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today is where it all begins. No expectations, just a promise to myself to try to show up and to see where this week takes me.
Actually, I'm not that active in my day-to-day life. I have planned to work on myself and any way possible. Abhi, just recently I have completed my computer class. I wanted to work on my Excel, so वो भी complete हो गया है. Now I'm learning driving. I'm going to a driving school, and my instructor said I'm really good for a first timer. Please look at the view. Don't miss it. So pretty. The sun is setting और इतना सुंदर व्यू है. Stream is also very clean. ये शायद पहाड़ों से आ रहा है, पानी सीधा पहाड़ों से आ रहा है and it's very clean. इतना सुंदर नज़ारा हो तो every day I would come here. It's really beautiful. And I came from my driving class and walking a bit, then I'll go back. This year is for growth and I have decided to not give up on anything. जो चीज़ स्टार्ट किया है उसको कंप्लीट करना है and look for another goal. ऑनलाइन देगा. हाँ, it's very tough for us mothers to take out time for us. आपको जब भी समय मिले, like जब ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स बच्चों को देखते हैं, तब आप अपने लिए समय थोड़ा निकाल के थोड़ा शावर कर लो मे बी क्योंकि हमें शावर करने का भी इतना समय नहीं मिलता कभी कभी. फ्रेशन अप एंड टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर स्किन, स्टे हाइड्रेटेड जस्ट लाइक मी. एक्चुअली मेरा भी नहीं हो रहा था, तो आई हैव कंसल्टेड वन न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट एंड शी pushes me to drink more water to increase my activities. ऐसा हुआ once few days back, मेरा activities बहुत ही कम हो रहा था, like 2000 steps or something a day, so it's very less. But she said if you don't increase your activities, I have to reduce your calories. But that dhamki worked. So stay hydrated and don't think about anything. Think about yourself first, then take care of your family. अपना पैशन ढूंढना चाहिए, whether it's पैशन मतलब हॉबीज़ वगैरह जो भी. अगर आप कुछ चीज़ में अच्छे हो या if you like something, जैसे कि पेंटिंग हो गया, डांस, सिंगिंग, anything. Some people are very, just like one of my friends, she is very active and working out is her, lifestyle, and she loves working out. काश हम भी कर पाते ऐसा, but it's not same for me. So I think just choose one activity for yourself जिसमें आपको अच्छा, जिसमें आपका मन शांत हो. And friends, I know it's easier said than done, लेकिन देखो हम भी अभी जस्ट स्टार्ट ही कर रहे हैं, तो आई एम ऑल्सो इन दैट फेज एंड आई एम योर फ्रेंड इन दैट. लेट्स डू इट. आई हैव स्टार्टेड टू वॉक नाउ. आफ्टर सम डेज आई विल रन होपफुली. सो लेट्स डू इट टुगेदर. whoever is in this phase और जो भी अभी थोड़ा स्टक फील हो रहा है किसी को, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट जस्ट one step at a time. पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं because I'm also in this phase now. अभी just मैंने स्टार्ट ही किया है, so देखते हैं how far we'll go. But friends, if we think we can do it, I think we can do it. So let's work on it together. And let me know आप सब अभी कैसे डील कर रहे हो अपने पोस्टमार्टम postpartum समय को, because it's very tough. I have been there, and some mothers are very tough, and for us, I'm not saying I'm weak, but it's difficult for some people. Meanwhile, I bought some plants for my cafe, and नींबू का पौधा.
Still figuring things out, but today it feels a little lighter, a little more me.
Black full sprouted mochila. It's very yum and healthy. This is my hibiscus tea. उनको ठंडा पानी में पीना अच्छा लगता है. तो who helped me cooking? This guy. Hi. Say hi. Hello. Mom. Okay, we'll have mom. He likes to eat by spoon these days. Mom? Early Santa Claus. Santa Claus थोड़ा जल्दी नहीं आ गया अब? हाँ? अब तो दिसंबर को आना था ना? Show me your fish, Mama. Show me your fish. Fish. Fish, fish. This is what showing up means. Come on, we can all do this. Come on, come on. Guys, I'm gonna try this hair color from Paradise. I saw it on Shark Tank and I was quite eager to use it. Guys, this is my hair color right now, and I have a lot of gray hair. Can you see this? Let's see if it covers it. देखो कितना पका हुआ है. Only ये एक patch है. So my natural hair is black. Lover's latte.
Punctured. Look at it, it's punctured. Packaging सही से नहीं आया शायद. ये भैया पहला वाला punctured था.
I'm all done. खुद से लगाया है, कैसा हो पता नहीं. कवरेज सही से आएगा या नहीं देख लेते हैं. दो पैकेट, 2 डब्बा फॉर मीडियम लॉन्ग हेयर काफ़ी है. नाउ आई विल लीव दिस फॉर 30 to 45 minutes. उसके बाद वॉश इट. टोटल फ्लॉप गाइज. मेरे को कलर ही नहीं आया, कुछ कलर नहीं, कुछ कलर नहीं आया. वो तो मेरा बाल ये वाइट बाल जो येलो हो गया.
And whenever I take shower, whole bathroom tile turns halodia, yellow.
तकलीफ है फिर भी आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट. इट्स नॉट, मुझे लगता था कब चलूँगी, कब वक्त निकालूँगी, बट यू नो गाइस, वक्त निकालना पड़ता है. So I've started walking 10,000 steps a day. Driving I've always wanted to learn, लेकिन हमेशा वही ना टाल देता था या कुछ समय मैच नहीं होता था. लेकिन I have decided to learn it and it's day 5. I don't talk about this often, but postpartum insecurities, बहुत खतरनाक से हिट किया हमको. And just by looking at myself in the mirror, it was someone else. I didn't recognize myself and all the insecurities running in.
But now I realize that motherhood taught me to be raw. Motherhood has changed me in ways I never imagined. I began this week with an open heart, ready to explore the version of me that's stronger than before. Postpartum isn't just about the recovery, it's about growth. I'm learning to move with my days, not against them.
So I'm taking some time out for myself and learning new things. I know it's difficult, but I have decided to change it slowly, a small habit at a time. And this vlog is a part of that healing. I'm not perfect, but I'm showing up. If you are also in a similar phase right now, I really want you to know that you are not alone. Let's grow together. Walk with me, learn with me. And अगर आप भी किसी नए जर्नी पे निकले हो तो please comment down below. I would really want to know and cheer you on. Day 6 and I still showed up. What's your update? आप लोग दौड़ रहे हो या चल रहे हो या कुछ नया स्टार्ट कर रहे हो कि नहीं? Start guys, start. I'm really enjoying the evening walks. इस समय कोई नहीं होता, थोड़ा सा धूप ढलने से पहले, so that जब मैं वापस आती हूँ तभी लोग चल रहे होते हैं and मैं घर पहुँच जाती हूँ.
So guys, this vlog marks the beginning of my journey to trying to truly find myself. Change is inevitable and I have realized that the only way forward is to embrace it with strength and courage. I've learned that crying over things beyond our control only keeps us stuck in the same place. Life is too short and I want to make every moment worth living for myself, for the people I love and the person I'm becoming. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Your support means a lot and it aids to building my confidence. See you soon in the next vlog. Until then, Omboni. Bye.